Do you struggle with naming organic compound by IUPAC name? IUPAC meaning to say International Union of Pure and Applied Science. Do you struggle? Follow me as I do justice to this. It's simple. If you know the rules, this is written in a condensed form, right? In a condensed form. Now, the first thing you do to get it right is get the longest C chain, the longest carbon chain. Let's count it from the left to the right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when it's 5, it means it's Pent. Here, 1 is Meth, 2, Et, 3 is Prop, 4, But, 5, Pent. That's the first thing. Now, the second thing you look out for is called the functional group. Now we have the double bond, covalent bond here. This is the functional group here. And that functional group, by having this double bond, is called the ene. It's called the ene. Alright? If it is 1, it's ane. If it is 3, it's ine. But now it's 2. When you have 2 covalent bond, is ene. This ene is where? Is located on the first C. On the first C. So you're going to have that first, you have it Pent 1 ene, because this is on the first C. Right? That's another one. Then look at the branched C here. This is methyl. When you have methyl is when 1 hydrogen is lost from methane. If you have methane to be this, which is like this, then the methyl is CH3. 1 hydrogen is lost. So this is called methyl. Where is methyl hanging? It hangs on the third C. So 1, 2, 3. So we put it like this: 3 methyl, Pent 1 ene. Is that clear? Then arrange it properly, it gives you the answer. How that's clear? Then the name for this proper name becomes 3 methyl Pent 1 ene. Please do well to like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more of this. Thank you. Organic compound name for this compound. The first thing you do, you start your counting from the left to the right. The carbon element. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that is 4. 4 is But, right? Where is 4 hanging? I mean, the second thing is, what's the functional group? You see the functional group? This is 3 covalent bond, 3. And for 3 is ine. For 1 is ane. For 2, we call it ene. For 2 covalent bond. Now this 3 is ine. So put it here. Then you think of arranging them properly. Now, where is this 3 here? What's the position of this 3? Now, this is first, second. Is this functional group on the second one? So we can set but to ine. But to ine. Then the next thing you look at from what is given to you, the compound, is the substituent element. Or element there, Now look at the Cn. Cn is called cyano as a prefix. It's named cyano. Alright, where is this cyano? If you count 1, 2, 3, 4 is on the 4 carbon. So the name is 4-cyano. 4-cyano. That becomes the name for this compound. Simply 4, put it this way, 4-cyanobutane. 4-cyanobutane. Thank you. How do we name this organic compound? All right, the first thing is the number of carbon chain present there. Let's count from left to right, right? We have 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 is prop. 3 is prop. 1, met. 2, et. 3, prop. 4, but. 5 is pent, and so on and so forth. But this is 1, 2, 3, so it's prop. Then the next thing is the functional group. What's the functional group here? Is CHO. And CHO is Al family. Al family. Al. So this becomes propanal, right? Propanal. Now let's look at the subsequent group hanging on the straight chain, which is OH. OH is called the hydrazine. The hydrazine as prefix. The hydrazine. Now, which position is it hanging? 1, 2. It's on the second one. 1, 2. So we said 2 hydroxyl propanal. That is the answer. I hope it's clear. In all the organic compound, that is what is expected of you. Is it difficult for you? Do you struggle to name organic compounds such as this? This is written in a condensed form. How do you name it? The first thing that you need to do is to count the carbon chain. Count it from left to right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. When it's 4, it's called the boot. 1 is met, 2 is et, 3 boot, 3 prop, 4 boot, like this, the 5 pent, 6 has, helped, and so on and so forth. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's called the boot. Then the second thing is the functional group. The functional group. What is the functional group? We see the functional group here is the in. When it's 2 covalent bond, is in. When it's 1, is in. When it's 3, is ein. This is in. All right. So we have in. But look at it this way. We have in 2 positions. We have in the first C position. We have in 1, 2, 3 in the third one. So how do you combine it properly? We're going to have the first one. Then you call this buta 1, 3. 1, 3. And because it's 2, we're going to have it as, when it's 2 is di. Yes, this is the in now. If it is 3 is tri. If it is 4 is tetra. Right? So the name is buta 1, 3 di in. I hope it's clear. You're welcome. In exams, there are questions that you'll be asked to name or to find, to mention isomers of organic compound. Do you know, in exam, start thinking about what do you do about that? There's a trick to how to find isomers of organic compound. Simply remember this formula, you're good to go. Now, we have tricks on how to find isomers of organic compound. Now, if you remember, these 2 raised to power n minus 4, usually the value of n should be greater or equals to 4 here. Is that right? With this, you can name, or you'll be able to know the number of isomers and the original in that organic compound. For example, if you have butane, for instance, butane has carbon 4 carbon. Now, how do you know the number of isomers here? What is isomers, by the way? Isomers is organic compound with the same molecular formula, but different structure. Now you can get 4, let's see the number of organic compound from butane. Now, what do you have? Using this formula, we have 2 raised to power, the n is 4 minus 4, which gives us 2 raised to power 0, which is equals to 1. N to the raised to power of 0 is 1, meaning that we have 1 one isomer plus the original, which is N-butane. So all in all, we have two isomers from butane. That's how you go about it.